So I'm just going to quickly go through a step-to-step guide on how to set up your business Facebook manager. So on this page, you'll just log in with your normal Facebook details that's connected to the page that you are admin of. Then we click create account, enter your business name, your name and your business email address and click submit. And once this is loaded up, this is your Facebook ads page. So then we go to ads manager and to the business settings. So this page is where we add a page on. So if you already have a page, you click add a page just here. And this is where we request access to your page from our side. And this is where you create a new page if you don't already have one set up. So once that first step is complete, we will send you an admin request to your normal Facebook page. So if you then go to your Facebook page settings, go to page roles, and from there you should see a request from Clickeer. So if you click respond to request and then transfer ownership of my page, we will then be able to monitor and create your ads. So once you've transferred ownership of the page, you'll have to go back to business.facebook.com, and then if you go to the section that says add accounts and then click the add button and then click create a new ad account. There you'll have to enter your business name, check the time zone is all correct, and then also if you change the currency, Great British Pounds, and then click next. Click that it will be used for my business, and when we're adding it on our ad account, this is the section we will complete. So we will ask you for your business ID. So in just a moment I'll show you where to find that. So to find your business ID, we scroll down to the business info and it's just at the top there under business manager ID. So if you copy and paste that into an email to us, we'll be able to get that set up for you. And then lastly, to set up your payment details, you have to go to payments, add payment method, and here's where you enter your card details, so name on card, card number, expiry date, etc, etc.